your form. Good morning, Anjali. Okay, now I can see Manisha. And of course, recording has also been started. So I'll be moving towards the doubt of
Good morning,
Sakshi
sir.
Kumari. Yes. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So now, page number 81, you are saying. Yes, Sakshi?
No, sir. Question number
Yes.
18, sir. Page number
18.
51.
Okay, 51, sorry. So I'll come in page number 51.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sudhanshu. How are you?
Fine, sir. And you, sir?
Yes, there are few students by whose sound I can recognize. I can't say that I am recognizing all students with sound. So just see here, question number 18. A square hall has to be tiled with square tiles of equal sizes. Okay, the mason has 1024 tiles. If he uses up all the tiles, find how many tiles were placed in each side. So of course here you have to find the square root. Why?
The square root of
Because it is a square
1024.
1024. Yes. Because the hall is also a square hall. Okay, in a square hall what happens? Length and breadth both are same, and as much tiles it will be taken in one length, that much length will be, that much row will be also there. Row and columns numbers will be same over here. Got it?
Yes, sir. Now, sir,
You will be
question
able
number
to make,
22,
or I
sir.
should explain by making.
Sir, question number 22.
Yes, 22. Sachin is saying something. Yes.
That explains the question number 87 again with figures, sir.
With a figure. Okay, just see.
Yes, sir. Explain.
It is a square tiles. Once see over here. It is a square hall. Okay. And now in a square hall, what will happen? As much tiles it will be required in one side, tiles will be in another side also. Okay. Like over here, I am making this. See, it is not exactly this. I think in this 32 it will come. Okay, like this. Suppose now in my figure what happened? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 tiles adjusted. It is not in this, it will be coming 32. So in same way 8 will be this side also, because the length side also it is same only.
Good
Getting
afternoon.
it?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and one more it will become then 8, like this. So of course this is not the figure of exactly, you can say the figure of 18, but only for making you understand I am just drawing this. Like this only it will be over here also in a square hall. As many tiles will be there in one direction, like 4 5 6 7 8. In same way that much columns will be also there, and that much tiles will be there in each columns, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, you can see. Yes, is this clear?
Yes, sir. If we do sir root under, sir, we get, sir, how much tiles in required in row and columns.
Yes. Now after this someone was saying which number? Sakshi was only saying yes, 22 number. Is it, Sakshi?
Yes, sir. I was still.
Okay, so let's see question number 22. Prove that if m is an odd number greater than 1, m is one odd number greater than 1, then m square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to m square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus m square. Okay. You have to prove this. Do you know how to prove? We can prove by taking LHS and bringing RHS, or by taking RHS and bringing LHS, or by solving both the sides and bringing the same answer. So here what will be better for us? To solve both the sides and bring the same answer. So just
Sir,
see
you
what I will
solve
do.
it, sir.
Of course, I'm solving. What we will do at first, we will take LHS, that means left hand side. And what is there in left hand side? There is m square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. So when we will solve this, what will happen? Square will be dispersed in both numerator and denominator. So it will, here we will be applying a plus b whole square, that is m square whole square is m raised to the power 4 plus 2ab there is, so 2 into m square into 1, of course it will become 2m square, and then after plus 1 square is 1 only, by 4. This we get by solving LHS. Further we cannot add and subtract over here. Again what we will do, we will solve now RHS. You can say again RHS, right hand side. What is there in right hand side? M square minus 1, okay, by 2 whole square plus m square. Then what happens? When we will solve this, of course here also this square will be, okay, separated to numerator and denominator. Now this will become like this, okay. This will be, okay, here we will be applying a minus b whole square formula. So a square, that means m square whole square, that will become m raised to the power 4 minus 2ab, that means 2 into m square into 1, that is minus 2m square, plus b square, that means 1 square is 1 only, by 4 plus m square. Now when we will do fraction add, what we will get? We will get 4 as LCM, because LCM of 4 and 1, of course least common multiple will be 4 itself, and when 4 divided by 4, that is 1, and with 1 when we multiply this all, of course number doesn't change, same it will be the answer, that is m raised to the power 4 minus 2m square plus 1, and in middle there is plus. When 1 divides 4, of course there will be 4, and 4 into m square is 4m square. So now when we will add it, what will happen? Minus 2m square plus 4m square. What will be the result? It will become plus 2m square plus 1 by 4. Because when there is two different sign, it is subtracted, but the sign will be of the bigger number, and bigger number is 4m square. So of course plus sign will be there. And if you will see now LHS also, while solving LHS also, we had got the same solution, same, okay, answer, that is m raised to the power 4 plus 2m square plus 1 by 4. And if you will see RHS also, we are getting m square plus 2m square plus 1 by 4. So you can write hence m square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to m square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus m square. Hence proved, or verified also you can write. Hence proved. Okay.
Sir, can you solve this question again, sir? I have not understood, sir.
Yes, sir, I
Not
also not understood, sir.
Just see where it is said proved.
Make it small, sir.
There is two way. Either by solving LHS you can bring RHS, okay, or by solving RHS you can bring LHS, that is a proving method, or even both sides you can solve and you can bring the same solution. So what I had done, I had solved both sides and brought the same solution. At first LHS, that was square plus 1 by 2 whole square. So of course I had solved this. I had splitted this square of numerator and denominator separate. I had applied a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. I hope all of you are knowing it.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes, sir.
a square plus
A square
2ab
plus
plus
B
b
square.
square.
Oh, sir.
I hope this yellow color is visible to all of you
Yes.
or not.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Okay. So that formula it has been applied, and below 2a square is 4. In same way in RHS what we had done, here also we had applied a minus b whole square formula. Okay. And a minus b whole square formula, what will happen? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So of course here minus 2m square comes. And then of course there was m square by 1. So of course what's saying? Fraction addition done by taking LCM of 4 and 1, that is 4. Okay, 4 dividing 4, it will be 1, and 1 with 1. If same number is multiplied, what happens? 1 is identity multiplication. So same it will be coming down. And now when we are dividing any number with 1, like with 4 dividing with 1, it will become 4, and 4 into m square is 4m square. So these two got added. That means you can say not added, subtracted, that is 4m square and minus 2m square. Okay. Two different sign are there. So of course it will be subtracted, and sign will be of the bigger number. So that bigger number it has been kept, plus sign. And then after it came same, that is m square plus 2m square plus 1 by 4, which was in LHS. So hence you can write, okay, hence I had written here, you can make it hence what? M square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to m square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus m square. Proved. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the next problem?
Sir,
Yes.
I solved till sir 70 only, sir.
17 only, so no problem. Today you will try to complete. And if there will be doubt,
Sir,
next day
Sir, I
also you
solved
can ask me the doubt.
Explain as a 20 number one time, sir.
20 number of revision
21, sir.
exercise
21. Sir. No, sir.
21.
3.2, sir.
Okay. The area of a square field is 8100 square meter. A man walks along the boundary at 72 meter per minute. That means the man is covering 72 meter distance in 1 minute. In how much time will he complete 3 rounds of the field? Now here it is asking 3 rounds of field, in how much time it will be completed. So do you know what you will be finding at first over here? At first we will be finding the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of a square is what? 4 into side.
4
4
into
into size.
1.
Then after what we will do, we will find how many times perimeter? 3 times perimeter, because he have to move 3 times around that square field. And that will be divided by 72 meter per minute to know how much will be taken by him. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So will you be able to make?
I am trying to solve, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
No
solved
problem. Today
this question.
you had solved, very good. Those who had solved, very good. Those who had not solved, okay, they will try. If they will get problem, even they can ask me. Okay. Further, any more problem in revision exercise or in 3.2 or in chapter anywhere else?
Sir, I have not completed revision exercise.
Okay, so no problem. Today you will be completing then in that case.
Sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
And if there will be
Sir,
doubt,
screen
you
is
can ask
same.
tomorrow also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, anyone has got a problem if you had solved then you can ask. Northern, I will be going in chapter 6 explanation today then.
So question number for 15.
Question number
This exercise only.
I have a
15.
problem.
15 of exercise. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see question number 15 of exercise. I'll be coming over here. I think 15 is in previous page. Few portion is in this page also. So in 15 it has been said, using long division method, find the
Sir,
smallest number
yes,
that,
sir.
yes,
Sir, by mistake I told 15, sir. 18 number, 18.
18 number. Okay. So
The answer got, sir.
answer got, yes. Okay, good.
15 minutes.
18 number, just now I had explained 18 number. You joined lately, is it?
Yes, sir. Due to some network problem, sir.
Okay, in short I will be explaining. Just see here, you have to simply find 1024 root, because in a square length and breadth is equal. So when you will find a root of 1024, how much tiles it will be kept in one row, that much number of tiles will be there in other altogether rows also. The number of rows and the number of tiles in each row will be equal. Getting it?
Yes, sir. Getting it, sir.
So that's why you have to find a square root. You can say since it is a square hole, so number of tiles in a row and number of rows will be equal. So number of tiles placed in each side is equal to root under 1024, and that you have to find. I think 32 is the answer, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So any more problem to anyone?
Sir.
No?
Sir,
Yes?
so there is how many number are there between, sir? So given sir 16 4 square and 66 square, sir. Sir, I get sir 258 numbers, sir. But the answer is sir 259 number.
Okay, I'll say you. What is the question again you say?
Sir, how many number are there between 16 4 square and 66 square?
Yes, here it has been said 64 square and 66 square, and you might have found a stepwise like between 64 and 65, and then after 65 and
Yes,
66,
sir.
and then you have
Yes, sir.
added. In that case, you have to add one more over there because it has not been said non-square number. So 65 square is also one of the number which has been left while calculating. You are finding the numbers between 64 square and 65 square, not including 65 square over there. And again you are
Understand, sir.
finding the numbers between 65 square and 66 square. So 65 square is left. So that's why 1, it becomes more. So 1 you have to add.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, further more doubt to anyone?
Sir, question number 19 of revision exercise.
19 of revision exercise. So of course, I will be going in question number 19 of revision exercise. A total of 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Of course, here also you have to find a square root, because each row has got number of plants equal to the number of rows. So of course, in that case, what you have to find? You have to find a square root of the given number. Then only the number of plants in each row and number of rows will become equal, because total number of what happened? Plants will become number of rows into number of plants in each row. Getting me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir,
no, no.
you solve
Yes,
now
sir.
one time, sir.
Okay, I'll be solving. Just see. Question number 19. What you can do and how you can write, let's see. At first we will be writing. Okay. Here, since number of rows and number of plants in each row are equal, so total number of plants is equal to number of rows into number of plants in each row. That is, both are equal. Number of rows and number of plants in each rows are equal. So you can write number of, what you have to set to find over here, row only. Yes. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So okay, you can do it. So that is number of rows is equal to root under total number of plants. Okay, sorry, plants spelling I had it in wrong. And that will be only equal to number of plants in each row. In each row. So nothing to do. Now you will be finding root under 2025. So you can write, therefore number of rows equal to number of plants in each rows. Rows is equal to root under 2025. By any method you can find the square root of 2025. If you will use long division method, that can be also used. So here of course 4 square 16. So I think 45 will become answer. While subtracting 4 and 2, 5 it will be coming. When it is added 4, 4, 8. And if I'll keep 5 over here, then I think it will go exactly 5, 5 to 25, carry 2, and 8, 5 to 40, and 2, 45. So it will become 45. So you can write is equal to 45. Got it?
Yes.
So is this clear?
Yes, sir. Make
Yes,
it
sir.
small.
Yes, I had made it a small. Further more small it is required. Or it's okay. It is okay now.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
you told me, sir, if the question will not ask, sir, non-perfect square, sir, then we have to add, sir, 1, sir.
Yes. If it is
Sir,
said
here given,
non-perfect
sir,
square, then you don't have to add 1
sir,
over there,
between,
because
sir,
65 square will be a square number. And
sir,
if it is said
sir,
all numbers, then you have to add 1. Yes, say.
question is, sir, how many numbers are between, sir? There is not asking, sir, non-number, sir. Sir, question is, sir, 35 square and 36 square, sir. Sir, I
Yes.
get, sir, 70, sir, by adding 1, sir, but answer is 70, sir.
No, in that case, it has been said number between 35 square and 36 square. Exactly it is. So now there all numbers are non-square only. Getting it? And it will become 71 only. Of course, 35 plus 36 will be the answer. Is it?
Sir,
No. Formula is 2n. Is it? What is the formula to calculate the numbers of non-square number between any two square number is? Not between any two, consecutive two square number is 2n. Yes.
2.
Yes. So happened. Clear?
Yes.
So 70 will only become the answer in that case. Anything else?
No, sir. Start with the chapter, sir. New chapter.
Which chapter?
A new chapter, sir. Algebraic express.
New chapter.
No,
If there is
sir.
anyone,
No, sir.
yes,
Wait
say.
for today. No, sir.
Ask questions, sir, tomorrow.
No,
Okay.
sir, wait for today only, sir.
No, sir. You are going so far.
Of course, if I will not go fast, then how
No,
your syllabus will be covered? I have
Sir,
not
only
said
for
that
today.
next
Wait
day
for
I will
it.
not be solving your
Very
problem.
good to
Next day
cover,
also, if
sir.
there will be doubt, it will be solved. But to come up with our, okay, what's saying? Syllabus on time, we have to move little bit fast. And for that only, of course, I'm doing.
Sir,
Yes.
explain the. Sir, explain na sir. Challenge question, sir.
Challenge question, okay. So I will be coming
Sir,
towards
these
challenge
questions.
question. Okay, just now while teaching you, I had just converted your PDF also. Now let me come towards challenge question.
Sir, I solved, sir. I get, sir, 13.333, sir.
30.33. Yes, it is easy only, not challenge it is. If you will add, just see. Sorry. Here, yes. This 900 root, it will become 30. And there is 4. So, of course, 0.03 it will become. And here it is 2. So, it will become 0.3.
0.3, sir.
Of course, you can use a long division method also to find such roots. And here it is 1, 2, 3. So
0.003,
0.0003.
03.
3 it will be in decimal. So it will become, of course, 30.333.
33.
Got it?
Yes.
Any further doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
No? That means I should proceed in chapter 6.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So of
Do
course
the
I want to say
introduction,
to each and everyone that if there will be further doubt also, you can ask me next day. It doesn't means that I had started chapter 6, then I will not explain you the doubts of chapter 3. I will be explaining that also. Yes?
Sir, 10 minutes left, sir. Today you ask na question.
10 minutes left, then of course in 10 minutes I will say you about what saying?
algebra.
Introduction.
Yes,
So
introduction.
asking, of course, revision at last it will be done. About algebra, it is very simple, it is,
Yes.
and then of
We
course
read,
what will
sir,
happen there, it will be added about what's saying? Try this. Okay, at first warm up exercise is also over there. While making your PDF, I had seen there is warm up exercise also. Of course, work for you it will increase, but no problem. That will be managed slowly. I am not saying that you complete now only, okay, but you will be going on doing. So now what I will do is I will open your chapter 6 PDF, that is algebraic expression. Do you know what algebraic expression means? Algebraic
Sir, we
expressions
know
means
chapter
yes.
5.
The containing variable and constants.
Can I tell, sir?
And I
Yes, yes.
tell, sir.
Yes, yes.
The chapter 4 and 5, sir.
Chapter 4 and 5 is in term 2 syllabus.
That is not in PT 2 syllabus, sir.
Yes, that is in term 2 syllabus. So in term 1 there is 6 and after that there is I think 9 and 10. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see. Yes, anyone was saying definition of algebraic expression?
Yes, sir.
Say what is the definition of algebraic expression? If anyone will ask you what is algebraic
Sir,
expression,
a
then what you will say?
combination of constant. Sir, can I tell?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is a
yes, yes,
branch
yes.
of mathematics that deals with constant and variable as well as mathematical operator.
That is the definition of what saying algebra.
Sir, can
Yes,
I
sir.
tell?
Yes.
Sir,
To
algebra.
express the
Yes, yes.
value. It is a statement, sir.
Yes.
Sir, expression means, sir, it is a statement.
It is a statement,
can I
of course,
tell,
that
sir?
is a statement. Yes,
Can I
says
tell?
Sudhanshu.
Sir, a combination of constant and variable connected with plus, minus, and multiply and divide sign is also known as algebraic expression, sir.
Sir, we can
Yes.
directly tell that it is a combination of constant and variable where each term is separated by some mathematical operator, sir.
Yes. You can
That
say
Plus, sir,
is
plus
term,
minus
sir.
terms are separated
some
with
mathematical
plus and minus sign only, not with multiplication and divide. If there is
That
only multiplication
become
and
term.
division side, then that will become one term only. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
there we should be not multiply and divide sign.
Multiply and divide sign makes term one only. Separation is done by plus and minus sign. Okay, when I will be teaching you about monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, pentanomial or polynomial, then in that time I will be saying you how
Okay, sir.
we are separating, how we are getting monomial or binomial or trinomial. Okay. So now as you can
Sir, what
see,
is
class
expression?
8 chapter 6 PDF, it has been expression. Algebraic expression is same only, that only.
Sir, and expression definition.
Algebraic expressions are the combination of what? Variables and constant. Variables and constant. That only you have to say, nothing more than that. Even
Expression
you can say
definition, sir.
added or separated by using what saying mathematical operators, that you can
Sir,
say. Yes,
mathematical operator.
sir,
say.
you can give sir some example of sir algebraic expression, sir, done in our daily life, sir.
Yes. Now algebraic expression, how it will be used in our daily life or how we are using algebraic expression in daily life, that I will be explaining. Like for example, in one day, how much pages can be taught by me if I can teach X pages in one period? Then of course, how much period we are taking? At present 4 period, so 4x it will be taught. So when we are assuming any number, not fixed number, x when I had said, then x is not clear how much number. If I will say 4 pages I am teaching every period, then 4 for the 16 period it will come, then there it will be everything constant only. Okay, so for making variable we assume. Okay, sometime what happens, we assume the things where it is not fixed, like during examination, what happens, we assume let X mark will be scored by you, then what will be the X? Then you can say X will be the value between 50 to 60. It can be 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 or 60 to 70. Because you are not knowing exactly what you will get. If you are knowing, then you can directly say, yes, of course, I will score exactly 80 marks or exactly 78 marks or exactly 79 marks. Okay. But when we are not knowing the value, then we are assuming.
Sir, can I ask
That-
one question?
Yes, say.
Sir, degree of polynomial, sir,
Polynomial.
yes,
Polynomial,
sir, is one variable.
Degree of polynomial is variable power. Of course, when I will be explaining you the text, at that time I will be saying you. Just see here it has been said learning objective. That means what we will be learning by reading these algebraic expressions and identities. Of course, in this chapter we will be reading about formula also. Students will be able to understand the meaning of algebraic expression, its terms and coefficient. So you can say algebraic expressions are the combination of variable and constant with mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now terms you can say the combination of constant and variable with only multiplication or division sign is considered as term, and they are separated with each other with addition or subtraction sign. If two terms algebraic expression is there, then in middle there must be plus or minus sign, one plus or minus sign which will be separating both the terms. Getting me?
Okay, sir.
Coefficient means any number except that. Suppose if I will ask, or if it will be asked like 2x is y square, what is the coefficient of x? If it is asked, that means coefficient of x will become 2y square.
2y square.
Yes.
How, sir?
If it is asked coefficient, that means just simply you leave
Sir-
that, and then after whatever there is, that all will be written. Okay.
Sir, one more
If it
example,
is-
so na, sir.
Of course, I am saying, if it is asked what is the coefficient of y square, then it will become coefficient of y square is 2x.
2x.
Okay. So accept that
Sir,
what it has been said, except that it will become the coefficient. Yes, say.
sir, we learning, sir, that, sir, a plus b whole square, sir. So there is also formula, sir, a plus b cube, sir.
Yes, of course. There is formula, and then formula is only called identities. So here in this chapter we will be reading some formulas also.
Sir, at one place all formula would be given, sir.
No, at one place all formula will not be given. Stepwise step it will come forward, and we will be practicing that, and again other formulas will be coming.
Sir, we have to learn also that formula.
Of course, if you will be making and revising twice or thrice, it will be learned by yourself. By making only, it will be remembered in your brain. If you are simply copying from others and not making all the questions twice and thrice, then you have to remember it. In that case, it will not be fixed in your brain.
Okay,
And
sir.
remembering things can be lost, but when the things are practiced more and more, it is never lost. It is saved in one corner of the brain. Whenever such question comes, of course, when you will give little bit stress on brain, then it will come out. Okay, I had read this only. Yes.
Yes, we just have to make by our own and we have to practice.
Yes.
The time
And in
finish.
same way, time has been completed. So
Like
okay,
and
no
like,
problem.
today you explain that, sir.
What?
Sir, tomorrow you will
Like
explain
and
this
unlike
chapter,
terms.
no?
So there are terms. Okay, you will be reading these terms also after completing this chapter 3.
Okay,
And
sir.
in next page there is warm up exercise. If you can do, then you will be doing. It is based on your previous class. If not, then next day I will be explaining you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now at first what I will do is I will stop recording. So I just clicked on stop recording and it has been